Thamjari. Welcome to the first episode of Mami Mapao. Ngasidagi hauna Impact TV na ani suba amadi mari suba Friday kudingi Impact Entertainment Channel da exclusively sandokpa hauriba Mami Mapao da we bring you the latest news and events from the worlds of entertainment in Manipur. I am Strela Taunawzam, your host for the show. In today's episode, we have the release function of music video Nura Pakang, audition for Surok Band competition and fashion parade, and a glimpse of the upcoming Manipuri film Manipur. Renowned Manipuri folk singer Mangka Mayang Langbam na Portuguese pop rock band Klaga collaborate tawduna Manipuri folk music po anawba mahaw mapibaga loinana Manipuri folk music po international level da pukatnaba hotnari. Romi Maitegi direction makada puthokpa music video Nura Pakang release tawbagi event na ngasigi ahanba kudoloy na Thamjari. Watch out!
Manipuri kunung isay sakpi Mangka Mayang Langbamga Portuguese pop rock band Klaga kusam naraga puthokpa Mangka Mayang Langbamgi ahanba international single Nura Pakang haukiba April tarik 19 da Hotel Classic Grande da Hongkre.
Nura Pakang have a music video si koigi Manipur gi folk singer Mangka Mayang Langbam amasung Portuguese koigi rock pop band Kla and a cover sigi band and sigi music collaboration amane
countryside ki nupi machama sumaina hoyi poem magi kaida love story machama ko polo player ma ka ki love story ni du dai du da aina poni dubu yamna luna tauba yamna shina tauba mabu care phazana taubi ba adugumagi matang dane.
3. A musical journey from Portugal to Asia haina mingthonba international album asigi saruk ama oigadawiba amadi Manipur gi sagol kangjai da yumpham oiba isai asi Manipuri folk music ki sehek amadi mayekta Kla gi jazzy pop rock ki top mahaw ama haplaga puthokpa isai ni.
Internationally collaboration tawbase hoy mamang na so kharabdi tawgre but musically smaina collaboration tawbasidi aigi han bane
thaba khudima ki awan wai di dum lei manadaba lon ani gi khoigi masigi wari gi khoigi penjan bam jaga haitare blend to bam jaga se wari ma hapsalak na ba lina bo na ba da ai da khatang ai khara challenging oi ba ganom di oiki kanu ma khara di direge adu khoigi iram dam chu nuksi jaba sagol bu am nuksi jami saga moina masi wari si manadaba khoigi maitelon amasung Portuguese ani gi lyric ani si da wari se penjan jabane.
Nura Pakang gi Manipuri gi saruk asi lai hui gi mayang langbam mangang sanana ibani music album na Romi Maitei ni direction piraga saknai rabi Soma Laisram na marui ba saktam langli isai si miyam da phongkiba numit April gi tarik 19 da maming leiraba Portugal gi radio channel Antenna 3 da Nura Pakang sandoktuna tahanki.
aigi isai hana moida thabani na moi hana concept to di kai like khangba nate just moina hangai se aigi araiba original ma thabiro aduga raw vocal raw instrument mayam na tongana thare
Manipur gi folk culture music sibu another international level amada khoi gi Portugal gi kano siga music band siga combine toraga another level amada pukhat pangam base sigi damakta I want to thank the creator of this music video and also the whole team who has khoigi yamna fazina puthopanga me basigi team sigi damakta thagat ba phongdokninge
music video asi tasengna khoigi Manipuri atang balan oriba khoigi sagol kangjai gi yamna achouba khoigi maru oiba khoigi sagol Manipur gi sagol sing sina sagol kangjai na maleng myam kudol torgo su khoigi sagol kangjai bu kudol toriba sagol sing sina khoigi lambi de leble to na plastic charaga leiba amasung khoigi lambi sorok de leble to leibe se masi khara do orsu masi khoi ji kunna umina ba sange amasung kai gum khara tawninge habisi masi khatang thinduna takpa khoigi duma music video gi saruk amane
another side da khoigi music video se just music video ama oina present tawrakta bado it's like for the good cause of the society khoigi cause amagi damakta to save the pony hadi khoigi indigenous khoigi kano oriba Manipur gi pony se mang ki gadarba pony sibu yokhalak na bagi matang da video sibu khalak bagi damakta su sigi damakta su music video sibu direction pibiriba daromi bu haningai leitana thaga chire duga siguma yam special oiba khoigi social cause amagi music video amda aibu cast to bagi damakta hana thagarpa phongdok chaninge.
Hotel Classic Grande da pangthokiba icham chamba isei isi phongbagi thauramda Babina Healthcare and Hospitality Private Limited ki chairman Thangjam Dhabalina athoiba mitunglen oina lengsin ki lololodena Manipur gi saknairabi kayana saruk yakhi.
Romi Metego, Masong, Marketing, Sagi Site, Nana Tarachari, Aduga, Nasi, Singing function Nasida, invite to sing, Aduga, Nasi music videos, put up the Saruk Yabi, crew member sing, Aduga, Media Kitchen in our sing, Amasong, Indi Punamak, the Kaikunabuchi.
Isai se yengzare yam nungai yamna impressive oi aduga isai sigi yamna fazaba yamna mahau yawba point tharaga de khoi gi Manipur gi amata ngairaba mangsillaklaba khoi gi pony se mahak se endangered species oire adi mayam se mikap tho o abdi sigumba sa asi atai mafam da fangba sa nate khoi gi iramdam sida thokcha basani masibu yokhatlasi kankhatlasi haibagi message ama piri. Different kinds of music ani se punjala ko matamda magi impactsivity I this minor or can have a color day, but I really appreciate Kla and everyone who involved in this project. I adugi credit to all the to everyone who is in this project. Is my nice से इन येंगबा कांदा ngasai मोगी Portugal language सा sagla matung dai khoi gi pony na lambi gi chidai da siraga leiba naraga leiba adagi masa phibam show aga leiba do ngasai gi moigi language na maron do khangdra su subtitle pi draga su thuklaba feelings pakhat pa ma adumaina adugi ithil ama pi
mayam puna bhap taminasi aduga plus akhoigi folk adi culture tradition asibu yokhat minasi and let's join hands together to bring it in another international level hainini.
ai yang kon de masi aina adu tau smaina tau haijabusuna hangat haijabusuna te government ta masi only yenga kan da khogi bol am khaktang aina mokhogi court da kick tawsalaga thammane hadi sini khoi film chen mayam music video chi wana te mayam dung ubirong gani khogi sagol sing che dum lambi de leb leba plastic saba sing sini aina thilaga takning de do government ta masi tawro haidana smain to godabani haidana madugi kano nachate aduga mayam punna yengminara kan da kari feel tawi haiba message to ina pitching is
Nura pakang na mangka mayang langbambu manglem gi thakte hena sakhang hanbatana tana Manipuri folk music pu anauba inot ama piduna hena pidam ningai oiba malem gi thakta pukhatpa ngamlakkadawi.
So that was the Nura Pakang making the headline tonight. And Mami Mapao team wish Manka a very bright future. Coming up next is the audition of Surok 2017. Manipur Tourism Department, Government of Manipur na sinduna, Ukrul da pangthokadauriba Siroi Lily Festival gi saruk ama oiriba Sirok Band Competition amasung Fashion Parade ki audition pangthokre midyeng taminasi.
She Rock 2017 Manipur State Flower Shiroi Lili gi ming lauduna kumsi chahi dagi hauduna lakliba me tara taruk kun phawba Ukhrul headquarters ta pangthok kadawriba Shiroi Lili Festival gi mega entertainment program ne
Hello everyone, this is Mehnaz. We are the event management partner for Shirok 2017, an exclusive event to Shiroi Lili Festival 2017. In this event, we will be organizing Shirok band competition from in which the prizes are rupees 2 lakh for the winner, first prize, second prize is 1 lakh and third prize is 50,000. We are also giving out individual prizes, 6 individual prizes, 10,000 each.
Youth Street News na event managed tawriba Shirok 2017 da Manipur dagi Guru Riven Masangwa Phoenix amadi Raksa Mizoram dagi Fiona Pachao amadi Ruth Charlie Walte Nagaland dagi Tetso Sisters Meghalaya dagi Soulmate na chingba band Singsu perform tawgadawri.
We are inviting a lot of people from outside the state, and also we have invited guest artists like Soulmate, Girish and the Chronicles, Tetsuo Sisters and
Fiona.
Roots Charlie. They all belong to Northeast India and they have performed in international platform also. So this winner of rock band competition will be opening for the Soulmate. Exclusive event it will be.
Yes, Shirok 2017, exclusive to the Shiroi Lili Festival 2017, which is one of the most important platform for all the rock bands all over India. But for this year, we are organizing only for Manipur bands only, so that they have the platform to perform all over India, even in the international level.
Shirok 2017 ki saruk amo oina Shirok band competition ki audition ki saruk khara Imphal Hotel by the Classic ki Sangai Hall da haukiba tarik 9 amadi 8 da pangthokre.
My team and myself, we are very happy and we are very excited to be part of this Shirok festival. The first time it's been done in Manipur, such kind of rock festival, and we are taking part in this. And if we are lucky enough, then we're going to win the 2 lakhs prize.
We are Soul and Light Traveling Band from Ukhrul, and for me, I really love being a part of this because I really enjoy. They have made such a great opportunity for us and to share this platform, and we hope so that we did our best.
This event, Shirok 2017, is jointly organized by Manipur Tourism and State of Manipur, and this event is wholly managed by Youth Street News.
Lupa lakh ani na ahan ramana oiriba competition asida punna band tarani thoina changyeng nagadawi. Loyna Manipur ki ching amadi tam ani ki marakta nuksi chanaba purakpa amasung amata oina hingminnabagi wakhalonda yumpham oiba fashion parade amasung Shirok 2017 da yawgadawri.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯤꯡꯃꯤ ꯇꯝꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯤ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯥ ꯀꯖꯤꯡꯃꯩ ꯗꯤꯖꯥꯏꯅꯔ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯂꯦꯛꯁ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯁꯥꯏꯂꯦꯛꯁ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯑꯅꯤꯒ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯂꯩꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯕ ꯁꯣꯅꯤ
Manipur gi lehaudagi haukiba maming leiraba fashion designers Silex amadi Asa Kazingmai anigi fashion event ase saruk yanaba model singi audition su haukiba tarik 8 amadi 10 da hotel Imphal da pangthokhi
Hello Impact TV, we are coming here for the audition of Siroc 2017 which is a part of Siro Lily Festival which is to be held from 16 May to 20 May. Okay, carry on.
Yeah, we're here to take the audition and we're quite excited to be a part of it, and I hope that every one of you come and enjoy this show. Thank you. Wait, was that me? Wow, that's gonna be a huge event. I'm going for sure. Are you coming too? Please do come and explore the beauty of Suroi Lili, the hospitality of Ukhrul and its people. We now bring you a glimpse of an upcoming multi-starrer Manipuri movie, Manipur.
Danina Kudol Tamdana Pibara Film Production gi banner Makhada Putokpa, Moneywood Haina Mingthonba Manipuri film Asigi story, Amadi screenplay, Rajesh Hizamna Ibani.
Ay, bas ka dun pangoy doy.
Ay, ne, bas dapat ka pangoy doy.
Baruni Langbam produce Tauriba film Asigi direction na Amaraj na Pibani Amadi film Asigi music director na Rahul Bluni.
Thabalgi fajjavadi thajagini Aigi nungsibadi nantari Aigi pamjavadi nahakni haunungsibi
Manipuri film actors amasung crew khaktagi oiba football team Moneywood na thengnaruba football bi yamna pamjaba angang amabu semgat piduna masak naiba aphawba football sanaroi ama oikibagi wari de yumpham oiba film ni
Yam tu lanam toro. Ngai ne.
Dasu kana. Hoi.
Simo. Da. Ai. Lepo hostan na sum lei du da warak tu na chadu ni. Warak tu na sum. Chau ni da.
Multi-star film Oigadoriba Moneywood Maru Basaktam Langliba Singdi, Olen Sadananda Kaiku, Rajunong, Gokul, Boni, Roshan, Ratan Lai, Lilabati, Modhubala, Biju, Chitra, Liklai, Asida Chingmani.
Idum sapele.
Idam sapele.
Matum kuti magda. Mai papu yuko.
Tau kau. As film director Amarasun Han mo do film director Amaraso. Aku moranga shooting do ni.
Sana kona bada thawai yaw lamdam ama oibana Moneywood hariba film asina ayeng masingna anawba mathel ama pibata natana miyamna yamna pamna yengnarakani haibagi thajaba thamli June thagi ahanba chayolda release tawnanabagi sem sariba film asi post production stage ta hojik leiri
Well guys, that's all we have in this episode of Mami Mapao. Hope you enjoyed it. Mathangi episode ta entertainment world da kari karamba pau amasung thodok thoknibagi haibadu puduna muglakchege. Ngasigi oinadi Strela Thonawjamna yengbiriba miyam pumnamakti kainabagi yathangmizari. Bye bye and take care.